So I wanted to talk about something that I didn't mention very clearly today in today's lesson involving scale factors. So if you look at the assignment for today and you notice number 3 says find the scale factor for this blueprint, and we are given that key of 1 inch equals 20 feet. Well, this is a similar problem, but part of the issue here is that with scale factor, if you remember from the material that we covered just before this, we were given two shapes, but we could assume that they were they had the same units. So part of the problem here is that I have 1 inch and 4 feet. So to solve this problem, what I really need to do is I need to convert them both into the same unit. Now, I could change my inches into feet, but I'm going to end up with a really small number there. It's going to be a fraction. So I think it makes more sense here to change the 4 feet into inches. And so what I would do is just think about how many inches there are in a foot. There are 12 inches in a foot, so I'm going to multiply 4 times 12, and that's going to give me 48. So now knowing that 1 inch equals 48 inches, now keep in mind that's the same thing as what we have up here. 1 inch equals 4 feet. So I just made my units the same. Whoops. So now I can write the scale factor. How I would encourage you to do it is just write it. You could make arguments that it should be 48 over 1. We don't really have a new and an original here. So I just write it in kind of the order that they are. The 1 inch comes first, so it goes on top, so 1 over 48. So if you're noticing number 3 on the assignment for tonight, if you're given the key of 1 inch equals 20 feet, to find that scale factor, I would convert those the 20 feet into inches, and then to solve it the rest of the way and just write it as a fraction. That also will appear on 4, 5, and 6, that you will take the 1 inch equals 8 feet, or the 1 centimeter equals 4 meters, and you're going to convert those so that they're in the same unit. So I didn't make that very clear in class. It was a little bit puzzling to me as I looked over it as well. So I knew that the units needed to agree. So just make sure that you're doing that. So this example 5 right here, I'll upload these in the notes today. That hopefully will help those of you in early classes today where I didn't cover that extremely well. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.